In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer games to new SSD. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can easily transfer a game that you already have installed on one drive to an SSD. This makes it so you won't have to reinstall it again. And the very first thing to note is that you should go into Disk Management or the File Explorer to double check that your SSD has been properly installed in your computer. Sometimes, if you install a new drive, you actually have to assign volume to it. So if it doesn't appear on the File Manager, make sure that you go to Disk Management and you see it here. So after you are done assigning volume and setting up the drive, it is going to depend on how your game is installed. First, I'm going to be talking about games installed through Steam, which I believe is the most common choice. So if your game is on Steam, click Steam at the top left, go to Settings, and of course this will open the Steam Settings category. Now, inside of all of the Steam settings, what you have to do is go into the Storage, and in here you can see all of the drives. Click the drop-down menu and make sure that you add your drive. So I already added both of my drives. I have this one, which is my main drive, and this secondary one. So if you want to move games between drives, you just click on the game over here to the right side to select it. You can select multiple games, as you can notice, and the options at the bottom will light up. So you can choose move, for example. So I'm going to move Pickle Park as a quick example. You click move. You will see the other drives that you have available, and you click move. With this done, now the game has been moved to that other drive, so I'll be able to find it when I go over to the folder. And as you can see, that was quick. Of course, depending on the size of the game, this is going to take longer, but it's as simple as doing that. And if you want to double check, right click the game, go to manage, browse local files, and you will notice that it is indeed in the new drive, so drive X. Now, if you have a game outside of Steam, then most likely all that you have to do is select the folder related to the game and all of its contents, and then basically copy or cut the folder and then paste it on the new drive. So for example, I have Star Rail installed on my X drive. If I wanted to transfer it to my S drive, I would have to select the folder where the game is installed and all its contents, cut, and then paste here. This process will generally work, but if you are unsure if that's going to work, or if you are using a different launcher, then sadly you will have to do your own research. Steam makes it incredibly simple, but depending on how the game is installed, this can be a little bit more complicated than just moving a folder. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer games to new SSD. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.